and good evening, everyone. I'm Averine. So today we will talk about Sabre GTS. Next page. So ano nga bang matututunan natin for today, for tonight? So tonight we'll introduce Sabre GTS, kung ano ito, kung para saan ito, at kung anong mga benefits nito. Matatakal rin natin kung paano natin i-connect yung hotel sa Sabre GTS. Next page. For the introduction, Sabre GTS is owned by Sabre Corporation. It began in 1960s and originally developed by an American airline. Nag-start ito as CRS or Computerized Reservation System na tinawag din namang Sabre or Semi-Automated Business Research Environment. So itong system na to, ito yung nakapag-revolutionize kung paano i-manage ng airlines yung mga reservation and booking services. Nag-expand itong Sabre into GTS na hindi lang nag-serve sa Amerika. Page. So, ano nga ba yung sa GDS? Before that, ipapaliwanag ko muna yung GDS. Ang GDS, Global Distribution System kasi, para sa malaking online market or let's say one-stop shop. So, paano ko nasabing one-stop? It's because dito mas napapag yung pag-book ng flights, hotels, and other services ng mga travel agent para sa customers nila. So, itong si GDS is convenient tool para sa travel planning and booking. So, ano naman ang Sabre GDS? Ang Sabre GDS naman, ito yung computerized platform na ginagamit ng travel agencies and other industry professionals para ma-access nila yung real-time information ng flights, hotels, etc. May I call a reporter, please?
How to connect your hotel to Sabre GTS. The first one is contact Sabre, start the process. The second one is ensure your PFCRS is compatible. The number 3 is integrate your system with Sabre. The number 4, upload comprehensive hotel data. And the number 5, test through living life. The number 6, train staff on Sabre form. The 7 is officially launch your hotel on Sabre GTS. The number 8 is maintain upgrade the hotel information regularly. The last one is monitor performance and optimize strategies accordingly. Next, please.
And the next is benefits of Sabre GTS. First is instant booking. And the next is real-time information for an opportunity as well as price notification. Outperform your customers' expectations. Augment customer loyalty. NR number generation. Access a wide range of travel contents. Build up productivity and revenue. The next report.
So, ayan, thank you for listening and